FaiRLane, hello. Oh, just the man. I got your email just in time. As you can tell by the screen. I was just looking at them. So, what's FaiRLane sent? He sent me three screens for the instructions. Because he believes that the game should have a set of instructions. And yeah, we can put instructions in, I think. I don't know where we're going to put them. We'd have to figure it out, yeah? So, this is screen 2. Right? So, we have a little issue that jump, fly and drop down are all the same key. There is only one key in this game, and that's spacebar. Yes, I know. We'll go replace OSK with Aston. Yeah, you'll be wanting a tape in late next. Well, the instructions is spacebar, right? Spacebar is for jump, spacebar is for fly, spacebar is to drop down. It's one key. That's all you need, one key. But we can put it in there. But FaiRLane was right. We need some way of. We need to explain what the game is. Yeah. So jump over trees, kennels, and stumps. Collect boners, shields, and cookies. Avoid the UFO and Aston. Right. So that's screen number 3. Then he sent this one, which is screen number 2. So not as how can I say, story like. It's just a plain old instruction screen, or that one. So the question is, I think the question is, we're going to put one in, but which one? You've just seen all 3. Oh, Saucy prefers 3. Right, that's 1 vote for screen 3. So GaryMeg prefers this one. So does FaZe. I like 4. I like 4. We didn't have a 4. Good job I've not put this to the vote, because I'm sure the voting system would have failed. So we have 2 votes for the first and 1 vote for the third. So, I mean, either way, we can put whatever we want in, yeah. The thing is, we'd have to change this to Aston, so let's change it to Aston. ASTON. What do I prefer? I won't lie, but I like this one. I like this one because it's a bit more of a, it's a story. It's going to be great putting the controls on here. Jump, spacebar, fly. In fact, let's do it, right? Because that's all it is. Right, do that. Copy, paste. Alright, So that's how it can. Typical OSK game. No, this is the third one. Right, this is the third one. Let me open a few more up. Hang on. Let's open a few more up. So this is the second one. Oh. Right, that's the second one. And let's open another. Right. So this is screen one. Out of the three that FaiRLane sent me, this is screen one. That is screen two. And that is screen three. Ah, okay. Now we've got the best poll ever. So we're looking at this screen, yeah? So screen three takes it. Right. So screen three takes it. So let's sort this out then. That is Aman brush. No, that's brush, isn't it? Aston. S-T-O-N. There we go. Oh, yes. Yes. We got the pause key as well. Good spot. Right, which one should we lose then? Because I think fly is not fly is not a. I think fly is not the is not a control. It's a result of picking up the power up when you jump. Yeah. So I think we should change this. Right. Hey, buddy, are you come to see your adoring public? No. Nico. He's as deaf as a
Hi,
pope.
John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Who subscribe? Gary. 8 months. You subscribed for 8 months. Wow. Thank you for subscribing, mate. Nico, do you want to see your adoring public? I should say your adoring public wants to see you. Come on. No? Oh, okay. He's got mumps on. He's got a mump on today. Where?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Come here, mate.
Oh my God, more bits?
What is going on?
Thank you very much. You guys John really here. spoil me. Another subscriber. Stay a
What
while.
is going on?
Stay forever.
It's going on. Hey, mate. It's all going.
Hi, John here.
Hey.
Another subscriber.
Going belly
Stay
up.
a while. Stay forever.
Say hello to your adoring public. Yeah? Say hello to your adoring public.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, how many's that?
Hi, John here.
Oh, another one.
Another subscriber. Stay a while.
See, look
Stay forever.
See, look what you've got Docster doing, eh? Eh? What have you got Docster doing? Eh? What is going on? Oh, bits as well. Nicomo, thank you for the bits. Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, jump, fly. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, so we need to Ooh, we need to put a slash in there, don't we? So we may have to. put one in there. Da, 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 da. Oh, what, mate? I've only just started the stream. What? 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 You've been out, mate. Don't give me that. You've been out. I'm telling you, you've been out, mate. You have. What do you want now? Can you hear him? You've been out, mate. You've been out, mate.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Saucy. Thank you for the bit, Saucy. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with him?
I don't know.
Oh my god, more bits?
Whoa.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
What is going on? Oh, Hypertrain. Oh, I see what's going on now. Oh, dear. Oh, right. Okay, right. So we've now got a slash, so we can put that in there now, can't we? Jump. Fly. I'm hoping this is...
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Hold on. Docster, thank you very much for the bits, but you don't have to compete. What is going on? Oh, is it the Hypertrain? Oh dear. I don't get many Hypertrains. Right. Pause. So, right. P. A.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
What? Another level 2 oh my god, level 2 completed. What? Pause. Right, pause. Thank you for the bits, Docster. I'm very...
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me. Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me. Oh my god, more
What is
bits?
going on?
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Gary, FaiRLane, Nico, thank you very much for the bits. Oh dear. Right. Before I lose the plot, let's put that in. Right. P. P's for pause.
Oh my god, more bits?
No, Nico.
Thank you very much.
Docster.
You guys really spoil me.
It's very much appreciated what you guys are doing. I mean, thank you. Oh, there's not enough of you for it to work. Oh well. Anyway, so we got jump fly, which is spacebar. Pause is P. When you press P, it pauses, and then drop down. I mean, yeah, I suppose it's a control because it's a boat flying, isn't it? So yeah.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Docster, come on, man. What is going on? They for Aston. Okay, just to make sure that he doesn't lose. Thank you. Oh, guys, you're too generous. Come on. You're too generous. Making me look unprofessional. Right. Now, is that avoid UFOs and Aston now off centre?
Oh my god, more bits?
Oh, Gary.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, Docster again? Oh, they're for Mrs. OSK. Alright then. Okay. Oh dear. What's going on? Where's the hypertrain stats? Oh, 33% on level 3? Really? God dear. I've never got past level 1. I'm on level 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Needs to move across one, doesn't it? Cut.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
We're not done yet. Oh dear. Right. So that looks
Oh my god, more bits?
Gary.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Hey up, Gidimes, welcome. They're in a bit of... They've gone mental, chat have. They're trying to do the hyper train. They've gone bonkers. They're trying to do this hyper train thing. Oh dear, FaiRLane, thank you very much for contributing to the mania.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Docster. And you thought we were done? Oh no! We got level 2. How? What? Guys, thank you very much. Level 2? I've never got past level 1. Thank you very much. Everybody should have new emotes, I think. By the way, I've put some emotes in. Yes, it is. It is cool, mate. It is cool. Thank you very much, guys, for your generosity. It's much appreciated. But I forgot. I put emotes in. How'd you get emotes up? Oh, there we go. Hang on. So we've got that one. Oh, FaZe has found them. FaZe has found them. I've been messing around. Been messing around. So we've got Nico in there, got Hunchback in there, and we've got Myriad. So I've started been messing around with emotes. So there's going to be some more. I'm trolling through all the software I've done, so everybody start talking in emotes. What's that? Myriad's chasing Hunchback, who's chasing Nico. You're all mad. You're all mad. Right.
Oh my god, more bits?
Oh, Gary.
Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to do Aston, but because he's black, I've got to slightly change it. I've got to put a white outline around him because he's black on a black background. He didn't come out very well, so I've got to tweak him. Yeah.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
I'm gonna do it. I've just got to put, like I say, I got to put a white back. I got to put a white outline around Aston to make his emote, so it sticks out. Because when I made it, you couldn't see it. All you saw was his white beard, and that was it. But he will get done. Don't worry, he will get done. He will get done. Right, FaiRLane. Is this the HUD character set? Yeah. You just added the 2, yeah? So let me load up the HUD character set. Let me load up the HUD character set. So we'll add 2 more. We'll add 2 more. So 75. And we'll copy these 2. 2 more have been added, which is comma and slash. And we'll paste them into there. Paste. Right. 73, 74. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to export it. And we'll just make sure that these are 73 and 74. They're not. Oh, it's got the Nico run. It's got the Nico run title in it. Oh, right, okay.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Docster. Here is for being the great tutor that you are, John. Oh, mate. That is. I'm. I do this just for the fun of it, mate. I'm glad you guys are enjoying what I do. It's very kind of you. Very kind of you. Right. So we've got a slight problem, okay? Because we've got the Nico Run graphics in the HUD. I can make it available, mate. I can make it available. I just need to think how we're going to do this. I'm just trying to think which is the better. Right, so we're not using that one. I think it's title, isn't it? Yes, it's that. Okay.
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Dude, Docster, what's it say? And the last bit's for tonight. Oh, or is it? God, you must have spent a fortune. You guys have spent a fortune tonight. We're only at what? 40 minutes into it. Right. So we need to we need to change our You ready to learn stuff? Right, we've got a problem. We've got 3 different character sets because we had a character set for the title. Which was the character set for the scrolling text. Starts taking notes. And the thing is, now we've... Ooh, it might not be as bad as we think. Hang on. It might not be as bad as we think. Let's grab these 2. We'll put it in here. What's the binary code on the t-shirt? I ain't worn this one for a while. Hang on. I ain't worn this one for a while. I thought I'd put it on. Let's go back to this. Right. We need it. White. So, I wonder if we can paste it into here. Alright. So that's the tile. So let's save this as instructions. And we are 40 by 25. Oh, 40 by 25. Right. Oh, where you gone? Right, let's see if this will work. I'm not holding my breath, but it's worth a try. Right, okay. Okay. We're on a winner. I just need... So we'll save that. That's our original. No. We will grab that one. Title. And we will... grab that. And then paste. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Right, so we got a problem with a slash. And, oh, right. We have a problem. Copy that. Paste that in there. No, undo. There. And we cut that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right. That looks right. So, make that F. Check for any more spelling mistakes. Right, shield, missing the H. Avoid the UFOs. I see chat is going bonkers. Yeah, that's why I'm putting it back in the right order, mate. Right, jump over trees, stumps, collect bonus, cookies, avoid UFOs and Aston. Scroll text here. Whoops, no, here. Hey up, buddy. You finally stopped whining. Right, we seem to be on a winner. Right, I want to add one more character. Do I want to add one more character? Commas are missing. Where's the commas? Radio. Koki, koki, koki dokie. The scroll text might not be scrolling. I think it's just to say that that's where we would put any scrolling text. So now the question is, where do we put it? Right? Where do we put it? Yeah. So if I fire the game up, let's fire the game up. By the way, right? Get ready. Phase. This is Phase. He sent me a version 10, I think, other day. So are you getting ready to listen to version 10? Because you're about to hear it. Right, here we go. What do you think? It goes on and on. There's like an encore and a thing. I know it's longer, mate. You want to hear with the special effects? Yes, well, I'm telling you now, mate, you're going to be really disappointed. Right? Right, just to satisfy Phase, here we go. Hey D-Type. Ooh. We'll have to sort that out. There you go. Oh yeah, it worked. I've been playing with it. As you can see, there's a few modifications, and it looks like I've introduced a bug that we'll have to sort out. But yeah, it did all the sound effects. So back to the original thing. Right, let me turn the music off because I want to talk and I don't want to have to be shouting over that excellent tune and me bopping away. Right, where should we have the instructions? Should we have the instructions when they choose this? Yeah? Or after? Do we put the instructions on first, or when they press enter Then it comes up with the instructions, and then they have to press a key to continue. Switching screens. Right. So we got two different things, either on a timer switching, or just following the. Now on a timer, the problem with the timer is we'd have to recode a bit of it, because we'd need to keep. If they move the difficulty, say pup, and then it switches, yeah. Then they've got. Me personally, I think it should be enter, show the instructions, enter again. Yeah. And then we've got the scrolling text underneath. We'll have some scrolling text. Yeah. Because I want to put on the end text and the start text to acknowledge people that have helped create this game and promote Phase's RPI group and all that. I can see where you're going, Gary, on a timer, but I think we might have to undo too much code to make it work, and because at the moment we're in a state machine, we're moving from one state to another state to another state. Yeah. Oh, right, okay. Instructions, level, select, game over, level, select. Okay. Okay. That might work. Right, let's code it up, because it's easy to swap it around, yeah, because we're a state machine. All we have to do is just change the states, yeah. So let's yeah, because we only need to see the instructions once. Yeah, I can see where FaiRLane's coming from. So let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. So we need another one. So we need another one. So what have we not done? So after game over. So there's another state. So that's going to be there. Oh, John, hitting too many keys. Excuse me. Right. So let's get the next one in. So game instructions. What? You're hiding now from your friends. You're hiding from your friends. Hey? Oh, you are very wobbly. Why are you wobbly? Hey? He's a bit wobbly today. What? You've just been out, mate. There's not... No. Just lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down, mate. Come on. Be a good boy and lie down. Yeah? Be a good boy and lie down. I don't think he needs something. I think it's a progression of what he's suffering. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down, mate. Lie down. Are you saying hello, are you? Hey? You saying hello? You've been out, mate. I know, you've been out. You've been out. Come here. Come here. What's up, eh? Eh? Go on then. Lie down. Daddy dearest, walk me again. Lie down. Lie down. He wants to do the Nico run for real. I don't know, mate. I tell you. You can see he's really wobbly. you got. Is he in pain? No, he's part of his medication. He's pain meds every day, right? So he's on the maximum he's allowed for his body size. So he can't be in pain, but with the vet seems to think it's the progression of what's happening in here. Yeah, he's going back into the vets in 2 weeks' time because he wants to see. The problem was we couldn't explain his change in behaviour because he just had 2 major operations, right? And the thought that hey, step backs, and the thought that the general anaesthetic was affecting his brain chemistry. So,
Hey, I'm not letting you out again. Get on your bed.
So,
On your bed.
they wanted to wait until the effects of the general anaesthetic was over, yeah. And then they were going to look at him, and he may have to have his medication changed to help him. Right, where were we? Oh yeah, right. So, putting instructions on the screen. Right. Did I export it, by the way? No, I didn't. I exported the HUD, but I don't need to do that now, do I? Right, so this is the instructions. Let's export them. Okay. Now this is the same as the title. So we can use this instead of the title. So let's go back here. Let's change the title character set, wherever that is. Here we go. So it's no longer NR title. We're going to use the NR instructions. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, NR instructions. Right, let's just make sure that we haven't broken anything before we even put anything that the... Right, so the instruction set is still working. Because this is now using the instruction character set, yeah? Oh. Rats. Have I still got the characters the wrong way around? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Where's the HUD? Where's the HUD graphics? I don't think it's that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Well, we can knock that back down to 73 anyway. F, G, H. Right, okay. Right, where's that graph? Where's that text? Oh, hang on. We have another file, don't we? Difficulty choice. There. That's the problem. That's the problem. Because that character set's wrong. Right. So we should be able to do this, shouldn't we? Ugh, really? Why are you not copying across? Copy. Paste. Right. Yeah, let's just reopen it. Oops, wrong one. Right. So, copy that. Paste that there. Get rid of that. Right. Right, let's see if that's sorted it. There we go. Right, that's sorted it. Right, so we've got the character set that's right. Yeah. So we're using the character set from the title. That's what, sorry, the instructions. So we should be able to just put the instructions straight in. Right, so let's import the instruction map. So let's grab that, do that. Instruction map. Right. So we should. Now, have I got... I don't think I've got a full screen copy. Have I? No. So let's go into screen and let's create another routine. So display instructions. Right, so we're going to do this the old good old-fashioned way. Right, so LDA. Right. So 2, 3, 4. Right. Okay, right. So, first things first. We need to, where we start, instead of going to initialize workflow. Oh, I need to see what's in there. What's the first thing? Initialize game. Initialize game. Is that the first one? Yes. Oh dear. Initialize game. Right, what we're doing in game. We're initializing the Vic chip, starting the music, initializing the high score. Right, so here, this is what we want. So, need that. Put that there, so it goes through the instructions. and we'll grab that and go to the instructions, and we'll put that down here. Right, so JSR screen dot display instructions. So we'll get it to jump star just to see what it looks like. Yeah, right, here we go. Boom. Let's put a breakpoint on that. Let's see what's going on. Oh! Doesn't even get there. Right, have I miscounted my numbers? Ten. 0. Right, hang on. Do we start at 0? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrong place. Wrong place. Right, that should do it. Lady Gaga's still around, yeah. Right, okay. So we need to move some of the logic, or copy some of the logic on stage 2, which is the basically the choose difficulty. We're going to need to grab, I think this is the, no, that's game over. Paused. Dazed. Oh, I must have put it at the top. Playing. Set up sprites. Here we go. This is it. Check difficulty. It's this. Right, so we grab that. And we'll grab that as well. Right, let's see. Is that going to show us anything? No. Right. And the reason it's not showing us anything is... Come on, John. Oh. No, it's not screen colours, mate. It's not screen colours. It's offset, isn't it? It's offset. So what I need to do, that. Because we put it in the reverse character set, didn't we? Oh, okay. Well, that's done it. There's no break. Oh, I didn't put a breakpoint in, did I? it doesn't show anything, does it? Oh, the memories at 4200, 4400. Sorry. Is there anything? Oh, there's something there. Look, there's definitely something there. Right, what's in the colour RAM? Maybe it's the colour RAM that's the problem. D8, isn't it? D8. Oh, the colour's black. Right, okay, the colour RAM's black. Let's find the clear screen. Where's the clear screen? Here. Ah! Right, okay. We store black. That's why the clear screen's not working, by the way. Right, so clear. Let's do this. Right, so logic. So we load 128, we do the clear screen, and then we're just going to load white, JSR, clear colour. Right, let's try that. No! Right then, let's find out what's going on. Right, F10. Right, here we go. Is it actually putting anything on the screen? What's Y? It's 4. Okay. Let's get to the screen values and we'll see. Right, there we go. So it's putting 80s down, right? That doesn't help as well either. Right, so it's putting 80s down. Let's see when it's going to do something else. Why is that reading? Right, that's storing. Why is that reading from there? 4 F5. Yeah, that's right. I mean, he's putting the characters in. Oh, hang on. I've just thought. What else are we doing in... Are we setting up the Vic chip? Yes. There we go. that needs to be put in. Let's see. Yeah, we'll put it at the start. Because it was still on the... There we go. There we go. Right, so what we need to do here is we need to make it into a cycling. So we can get the music going. Yeah. So let's go up here and we'll basically copy what we do here. Alright, so we're going to do this here, do the music, doing the frame counter. No, we don't want to do that. We'll just do this first. We'll grab that. So we'll paste that in here. And then we'll go back to raster loop. I sorted this out yesterday. I did sort this out yesterday. We should have a lot of... Blah. I'll have another crack at that. Right, let's see if we get any music. No. Because we didn't initialize it. Where's the initialization routine? Where's the initialization routine? Oh, we ain't got any music because Gary got there before me because we turned it off. There we go. Ooh. That's because I don't think we've initialized it properly. Where's that? Initial. Oh, that's the initialized game. Oh, we don't need that as well, do we? Not now. I presume that's zero. Right, let's get rid of that because we're not doing it in the initialized game. Oh, yeah, we are. We go through that first. Oh, ooh, that. No, that'll work. That'll work. Well, that's FaiRLane, I think. That's FaiRLane's doing. He was the font guru, I think. I think that was FaiRLane. He messed around with the font. Does that sound right? Yeah. I am doing the initialization right. Do I need to put anything in there? Or do I just call it? Yeah, one of the notes is short, isn't it? What's changed? Nothing. The only thing I've done is just I've put the raster in and I've got it to play the music, which is at what, +3, and then it jumps back to the raster. Oh, have we encroached on anything? The raster, oh, that's why. That'd be interesting. Have I done that on every one of them? Oh, Looper. I called it Looper. I bet I was going back to Looper. Right, let's do that. Let's keep it consistent. Right. Normal service should resume. There we go. Right. So we want scrolling text here, yeah? And I presume we want this changing as well. Yeah, Nico's tune's back. Right. Right, so if we want the Nico's run logo, if we want the Nico run to be doing that flashing, then we need to do a bit of changing. So we'll go up to the here, because this is where we've got all the code to do all that, which is here. Yeah. Alright, so we've got all this just to control the colour. Yeah, this bit here. So what we can do is we can make a macro out of all this. So let's make another macro. So Nico title color cycling. That's right, dot macro. Yeah. So let's take this. So this is our this is everything to do with it, right? And this bit down here as well. So we'll stick that in there. So we'll use the same parameters. The only difference is that we've got to take. Well, the prompt, Gary, the reason why I'm making a macro is because we've got the title at the top, yeah, on the instruction screen, and then the Nico title is in the middle of the screen, yeah. So we could copy and paste the routine, yeah, to be in the different place, yeah. I was just thinking that it's going to take the same amount of character. It's going to take the same amount of code. I'll do it. We'll just create another routine. Just create another routine. We still need this though. We still need this in here, right? So we still need that. But this, where is it? Changing Nico title runner. We need to create. We need to make a copy of that. It's this here, yeah? So we've made a copy for the main game, so we might as well make another copy. So let's grab that, paste that in there. So this is changing Nico run instruction color. Now we'll leave title in there. Now this time it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, let's see if that does it. We must be one over. There we go. Right. Does he do anything when he goes out?
Eat shit.
Yes, that's what it does. Yeah. Because I thought because we've got, but as you can see, I've already got 3 routines which are basically identical. It's just the rows were different, and that's what I was going to do. I was just going to make a macro just to do this, but encompass the entire color cycling logic to do the whole lot. But we've done it. It's working. So right, so we need, so we've got game over scrolling text, so we need some instruction scrolling text, and we'll use the same what we've got, at the moment to try and do it. Now, in between streams, I cheated. I cheated. In between streams, I have written... Yes, let's call it that. I cheated. In between the streams, I've cheated, right? Because I knew I was going to be doing this scrolling thing again. So, what I've done is in the game over. Yes, we call it the 10-minute preparation. We'll see. Right, you'll see what I did. So in the game over, so we're looking for game over. Because that's the scrolling before. Here we go. Is that game over? No. Game over's further down. Game paused. Game over. Right. So, what we're going to do is, this is the thing. So we need to see where that text is. Is it going to scroll on all screens continuously? It's going to scroll on this one, yeah. And then on the game over one, it does until you tell it to carry on, yeah. So we need to grab this, right? This is the scrolling stuff, yeah. So, or it would display counter, and then this puts it back to how it was, I think. Yes, that's right. So we'll grab this and we'll go to the instructions and we will paste it at 200 because I reckon it's going to be about there. I reckon it's going to be about there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go inc do20, and then after the music I'm going to do decrement just to see where it is. We'll rem this out because I don't want it getting in the way. We've got that. Right. So let's find out. Right. So that's where we're testing for the raster. I think we can go further down. Let's try that. Right, it's too low. What, by 2 rows, I think. In fact, let's do 1 so we can see what it's like on the screen. Right, so that's what? A row and a half, isn't it? So 220 for a starter for 10. $240 minus 12, 28, isn't it? Ooh. It's 2 pixels out. Yep, that'll do. That'll do. That's where we want it, yeah? So if I do 2.0, we should be in line. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this top one to be 226. And then we're going to set this to be 100. Cool, that works beautifully. Because that's where we... So where that white band is where we're going to do all the maths. All the stuff, yeah? All the gubbins. Right. So if we unrest all this lot... When we run it now, we should get a scrolling effect. Well, I thought we would have done, but apparently not. Because I still... Have I still got the jump in there? Yeah, still got the jump in there, I'm going to say. So, oh, right, okay. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. We need that not to be there. We need that not to be there. We need that to be up here. To be there. To have all that done in the middle. Right. So that's now done in the middle. So if I take this decrement out and put it there, we should see how much time that's taking. Time that's taking. There we go. So we're nowhere near down here. Right. So we will put another there to there, and we'll do the decrement there, just to make sure that we've got our rasters in the right place. Now I don't know why that is going all the way over there. Oh, right. That's why. 226 plus 8. 2, 3, 4. Not deep enough. There we go. Oh, right. The IRQ's interfering with us now. So we will do... No, we'll let it do it there. And then when it's finished... Oh, the IRQ's interfering with us, so... We'll set that, and then when we finish down here, we'll clear it. Right, let's get this scroll done. Let's see what it looks like. So we're not altering the display counter, right? So we need to go back to game over and see if display counter's been affected, which it is there. Now I have cheated. I have converted that code into a macro, so we can just paste it in there.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Say hello to our new follower. Say hello, new follower. Make yourself known. Don't be scared. We won't bite. Honest. Say hello to our new follower. And make yourself known wherever you are. Right. So we need to work out which it is. So 0 to 24 is 25 columns. 24, 23, 22. So it's the 22nd row. And the text we want to shove in is this. Right, let's see. Right, I am going to take that out. And we'll set that up here. I think the interrupt's getting in the way. Oh, something's taking too long. Right, okay, let's change the flow a bit. Right, forget that, John. Grab that, grab all of that, from there to there, get rid of it, put it at the end. And we'll get rid of that. Now, what's taking the time up? We don't have that problem on the game over screen. Oh, hang on. Hang on. That's in the wrong place. That's in the wrong place. That should be put there. Round of applause. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know what that's reading. Right, let's get rid of that. Did that start with I hope I enjoy? No, it didn't, did it? It's nowhere near, it's nowhere even near. Ooh. It's still causing us a bit of trouble, isn't it? That is still causing a bit of trouble. So we will. How we're going to do this? We'll set the interrupt there, and then we'll clear it here. So we give it at least a little bit of leeway. See what that does. Oh. No. No. We don't want it affecting the scroll. Don't want it affecting the scroll. Right, that's because I've got rid of an ink. It's still glitching. Right, I'm happy with that. I'm not happy with the fact it's... Is it actually reading this lot? I think we're 4 or 5 out. I think we're 4 or 5 out. Yeah, one more. There we go. I think we're gonna have to remember that because I think the game over screen will be the same. Right, just so we know that we're on the right one, yeah. Right. Right, so we need to narrow. We need to do the column bit. We need to do the columns bit because the columns are not that. So we need to do that. So that was in Dazed, I think. We don't mess around with the columns, do we? Oh, it's difficulty. Where's Dazed? Here we go. So we need that. Need that. Color cycle scroll text. I don't think we had colouring on the thing on the scroll text, but we did have the preparation of it. I'm wondering if it's this. Oh, it's that bit, isn't it there? That bit. Right. Okay. Let's just put this in first. So we need to put this... Need to do that there. And we are at 22. Did I say? Yeah, 22. Right, so... Well, I've just seen it. Right. It's definitely that. That's put... That's changing the character set. Oh, it's scrolly, isn't it? Oh, is it? Yeah, it is. It's scrolly, isn't it? Oh, get the Bible out, John. Well, there's scrolly Y. Aha! Yeah, bit 3. Scrolly X, bit 3. Right. There. 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's switched it on. And on is 40 column, 38 column. Right. Right. Let's try this again. There we go. Oh, but the colour system's not working now. It is 22, isn't it? 22, yeah. Do 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 do. I don't think we are hitting it. 24, 23, 22. But we're definitely scrolling it. Alright, let's just humour me. Just humour me. No. Oh, why is that not working? We display the instructions and then prepare the line. Right. I need to just check. Right, let's put that back. I need to just check that the game over system's not doing the same thing. Am I modifying the right place? That's the question. No, I'm in the right place. Good, good, because I just had a horrible feeling then. Right, let's get rid of that. Where is it? Get rid of that. Right. Right, let's put the key in. So we'll do the same thing. Whoops. We'll do the same thing as we've done on the game over. Because we're basically half-inching the game over anyway. Right, so there's game over. So somewhere down here is the key test. For game over. Just got to find it. Just got to find it. It has to be around here somewhere. There we go. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So we'll put this in here. And we'll grab that. And then we'll do that. Right, that should be the instruction screen in, and with us being able to move forward. Right, press enter. Oh, it's P, isn't it? Pause. P. Right, enter. It's doing it there. It's doing it there. Why isn't it doing it on the other line? Right, need to look at my macro. Need to look at my macro. Maybe there's something wrong with my macro. Oh, straight away, John. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. Straight away. Plank. Plank. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. You said blank before. Blank, plank. You said plank before me. Yes. You're getting your own back now, mate, aren't you? When I was doing it on your stream. Getting your own back. Right, so now we've got an instruction screen. Hang on, let's just turn the sound down so I'm not being drowned out. So we now got an instruction screen. And we've got some scrolling text at the bottom. So that's where we'll put the credits. And we'll put some of the credits in the game over as well. I mean, we could use the same credits if you wanted. But we need to, in here, when this text is finally gone, we need to say press P to play. Yeah. So we press P. Then we go into right. Ooh. I can't move. The directions all screwed up. Difficulty's all screwed up. Why is it not doing it? Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. I've just remembered. Are we... we set it, but then we clear it, but we don't set it again. Okay. But maybe, just to be sure, I think we should clear it here on there. Choose difficulty. Are we clearing the interrupt flag? No. It's probably why it's not working. So we'll do that here, just to be sure. Let's see. Right, P. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we've broken it big time. That was going the wrong way no matter what. No, that's what I've just done. I went to move right and it went left. So it's doing this. Oh no. Oh no. P. Right, full stop. It's going the wrong way. Maybe we're going to have to test for the keys by our spectacular key mapping routine. Let's load it up. Twitch streams, wasn't it? Twitch streams. Oh, not in there. Aha, Twitch streams. Basics of keyboards. That's the fella. Right, F6. Oh, come on. Wakey wakey. Right, so let's write this down. Find a bit of paper. So, comma. Right, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row 5. Bit 7. Right, full stop is row 5, yeah, bit 7, 6, 5, 4. So, comma, row 5, bit 7. Right. We'll hide that. We will go to here. And we're going to have to do this. Right, where are we? Check for controls. Right, we need to go into controls. Do I have controls open? Yes, I do. Right, so check for level down key. Oh, no. Check for level key. There we go. Output, carry set if increasing level. Carry clear if decreasing level. Now, ooh. Oh, that might not work. There's 3 states. There's key not pressed, key going down, key going up. Rats. What else can we use? We can use the overflow key. Night, FaiRLane. Yeah, it worked before. I don't know what's going on. I think it's because we're messing around with the interrupt. Let's let's put it back to how it was, right? So that's here. So we'll remove that and put that back in, yeah? And see if it works. No, it's bust. It's bust. It's bust.
Right, that's going to be my new shovel. I love it. That's so funny.
Yeah.
I don't like it. That's it. That's
What could be causing that?
the number 1 shovel.
What could be causing that? Let's right, that's going to be annoying for you guys, so I'll just turn it down. Right, so we're looking for I think it's C7. Yeah, no, C5, there it is. Right, so we're looking at that. Right, I'm pressing the full stop, which is 2C. Now I'm going to press the comma, which is 2F. Oh, have I got my numbers wrong? Right, okay, let's just write that down. 2C equals full stop. 2F equals the comma. Right, let's just make sure I've got my numbers right. There we go, scan codes. Was it 2E? Right, comma, 47. What's 47? .47 is 2F. Okay. Where's the full stop? .44. It's 2C, that's right. So they're right. So what's it pulling? Right, let's get some breakpoints in here. Let's have a look. Right, so there it is, there. Load 197 C5. So it is definitely loading C5.
Are you kidding me? Any other time do I get hacked at any of these goddamn levels? Where am I? Skelly Farm.
That's the one it's doing, isn't it? Two C and two. You said it was 2E. You said it was 2E. Let's have a look. So C5 is there, right? So I'm pressing full stop. 2C. I'm now pressing comma 2F. But it's always going down. So it's always doing the comma. I don't know if I'm going to be quick enough to do this, but we'll try it. Right, I managed to get 2C in there. Compare with 2C. Right, F10. Compare with 2C. Branch if equal. It is doing it. Right, let's do that. Now that should be changing the colour. Yeah, it is. It's changing it from medium. Right. Then when it's done it, load 2, increase X to 3, compare it with 0.5, not equal to. And now it should be, oh, what's it doing now? 0.3. Oh, that's now putting the new colour in. So that should be doing hard. But it's not. Oh, why? Why did it move it there? Why did it? Oh, we've busted it. Broken it big time. Right. This is where Git comes into it. Right. Let's find out what I've screwed up. So we're in Logic. Compare. I want to compare. Here we go. Let's find out what I've done. Yeah, I know about that. Yes, we know about that. So it's going to be in the choosing. Right. HUD, screen. Here we go. Difficulty. Music play. I did not change anything. I didn't change anything. Low difficulty level. That's what we need to look at. Right. Okay, so I haven't screwed up since the last stream. Right, let's do this again. Shift F6. Be on the ball, mate. Be on the ball. As soon as it fires up, be on the ball. Press it, press it. There we go. Right. 2C. So that's C5. So we're heading in the right direction. So then we load 08 1B, which is 2 times by 2. We blank. We make that green white. So 081B, remember, was 2. So here we go. One more. Load 081B, increase it, compare it with 5. Branch if not equal to 17. And it's loading 081B back in again. That's the issue. That's the issue. Why did that not work? Why did that not work before? Because we're storing it there. Right, so we're here. Compare it with 5. Forward to oh, look where it's going. No, it should be going here. But it's not. Where's that going? Oh. Right, okay. There must be a continue in this macro. Let's have a look. There must be a continue in that macro. Oh, I've gone and lost it now. Oh, it's in controls, wasn't it? No. Game difficulty. Look for difficulty, John. Setup screen. Difficulty chosen. Here we go. Right, highlight difficulty text. I made a macro. I bet you it was that continue there. It was going to this continue instead of the... Why did we not see that before? Why did we not see that before? Right, that should do it. Right, let's go. Let's just check. Oh. Finally. Why did we not see? That was a weird one. Right, let's put it back. Let's go back and change the state. Let's turn on the sound. Refer to last week's lesson you forgot, guys. Okay, not true. No, it's not. It's the keyboard scan code, mate. Never went up. We only went to phases level. Right, okay. Right, let's see. Let's see. Here we go. Have we broken anything? Right. So, P. So we should be able to go up and down. Yes! Right. Oh, I couldn't get that cookie. There was no way on this planet I was going to get that cookie. Right. Oh, after all that. Right, let's run into a tree. Right, so the game over's still working. Scrolling at the top still working. Right, press P. We should go back to the level chooser. Nice! Nice, 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 nice. Right, so we'll have to get rid of that scrolling text. Scroll text here. No, mate. I did try. We do save the difficulty level, and I did try to get it to take the difficulty level that you've chosen and put and highlight it and everything. But it just got into a right mess. Just got into a right mess. But we can certainly try it. We can certainly try it. I to be honest, I didn't spend a lot of time on it. Because I set the difficulty. I'm not too sure if I hard set the difficulty. Hang on. So this is the choosing the difficulty, yeah? Yeah, this is where it was causing the issue. It was setting the initial value of the sprite, because I hard set the difficulty here. So this this X coordinate relates to difficulty 2, and I was having problems trying to get it to set the X properly, if you understand what I mean. Because what we do is we don't work out where it is. What we do is we say if we delete it, if we go down a difficulty, we minus 64. Yeah, we don't work it out. We just minus 64 and then minus 64 again. So, yeah, it was. I mean, we could do it. I was just thinking, is the effort spent worth it? I don't know. It's looking great. Yeah, I think we're getting there. So if it's going to take time, leave it. Yeah, I mean, we've got things that we want to try and get in, and then if we've got time, we could try and polish, with those little things. Right, let me get rid of that scroll text here. let's get rid of the scroll text here. Right, is it that one? I can't. Oh, it's the instructions, isn't it? No, it's not that. It's instructions. There we go. Right, let's get rid of that scroll text here. I mean, there's what, 5 lines that we don't have to copy. It's 5 lines that we wouldn't have to copy. The scroll text needed to be in put mode for me to read. Right, let's see if it stopped. Let's see if that scroll text here's gone. There we go. So what we need is some text for here, yeah? So we need some. Oh, the game's probably a bit loud for you guys. Let's wind it down a little bit. You could put the emulator speed on 10%. Right, so we need some text, yeah, for the game over section and for the game start. Now, I think FaZe was going to give us some text for the game start because there's certain things that he wants to put in to the scrolling text, and I've said yeah, we'll do that. So we just need some good text for the game over thing and the game start. So now I know the text is going to be very similar, but it's, I don't know. But we've got it now. Yeah, we've got 2 different strings. But if we use the same text, we can still just change the macro. Yeah. Right, so P to continue. Oh no. Right, P to continue. And the music carries on going, it never stops. There's not a break in the music anywhere, is there? No, I don't need to stop it. I'm just saying, I'm surprised. I'm amazed myself that the music doesn't stop when it changes state. Oh, this is the new bit. This is the new bit. And there we start again. FaZe, love this music. You should tell your colleague that I really like this music, and we'll make sure that he gets the credit for it. Yeah, right. So he knows. Good. So. We've done the more. We got the more music. Hey, Fresh Cat. Yes, it is. It's VS Code with Kick-Ass and the retro extension. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? It's somewhere around here. There we go. Kick-Ass Retro Studio and Vice. I've just said it. It's the retro. It's the Kick Assembler 8-bit Retro Studio. That's the extension. That one. Right. So parallaxing clouds. Right. That's the next thing we was going to mess around with, wasn't it? Was parallaxing clouds. Have we got time? Oh, we've got about 30 minutes to get this started. So we have. Let me. Can I open? Let's open one of the trees. Right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank spaces, yeah? Because I think the two wide ones are just the same. I think it's 5 rows above it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So we've got 5 rows above where we can put parallax in. Now the question is, because I did some clouds, didn't I? Did I do some clouds? I can't remember if I did some clouds. Oh yes, clouds. Here we go. So these are the clouds. I've got 3 different types of cloud. So the parallaxing is, now I've seen parallaxing, but I've seen too many different versions of it where the top layer runs at the same speed as the floor, and then a layer below runs slower. I've also seen ones where the layer below it is running quicker than the layer above it. How are we going to do this? Because I don't think we should have clouds going at the same speed as the floor, because they'll be whizzing, especially on insane mode. So I don't know how we're going to do this. It's an interesting problem, but how are we going to do this? Yeah. Yeah, I imagine the clouds going slower than the ground. But it's strange how I've seen some games where the cloud is running faster, right? So we've got different layers, right? So let's make these layers. So this is going to be our cloud layer, yeah? This is going to be the floor, yeah? And then we've got the hub underneath it. Check Chrome Dino. I didn't know that it did parallaxing. Oh, it is. It's parallaxing, isn't it? Oh, they're all at the same speed as well, aren't they? Now in there's three layers. Now we don't have to do 3 layers, but they're running at the same speed.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
I'm concentrating. Oh, type it in the browser. Oh, it's got nighttime as well. We're not doing nighttime. But those clouds are running at the same speed, aren't they? Ah, pterodactyl! Right, so those clouds are all moving at the same, not the same speed of the floor. Yeah, I thought it was strange when I saw people doing clouds same speed of the floor. So now now looking at that game, all the clouds are moving at the same speed. Fine, they're at different levels, but they're moving at the same speed. So should we have 2 layers? We're going to have 2 layers of clouds, but should we have them at the different speeds? So if we had them at the different speeds, would this cloud layer closest to the ground be faster than the cloud layer above that? Or what? So the cloud layer above would be slower than the cloud layer below it. Slowest at the top. Right. So we have to rethink our scrolling mechanism. So we're effectively yeah. So we're effectively going to have 3 scrolling routines. Yeah? We're effectively going to have 3 scrolling routines running off different timers. Right. That's going to be interesting. Or are they going to be on different timers? Why is it an issue? No, it's not an issue, Phase. It's just that we're going to implement 2 more scroll routines, yeah? But they're on different speeds, yeah? So they'll have different scroll values, which means that we need to raster split the screen even further to do it, yeah? So I was just thinking, we can use the frame counter, don't get me wrong, we can use the frame counter, but the incrementer is not going to be the frame counter, yeah? Because we're going to be dividing, yeah? So you've got to remember that our frame counter's 64, yeah? Our frame counter's going up to 64, so and we're doing in sets of 8. Yeah. Let's see what we can do, yeah? So we need to first things first, we need to change our scroller so it only scrolls the ground up, yeah? So if I go back to the trees, we need to scroll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines, yeah? Because that's the so right. Let's change our scroller. No, it's not OSK in binary. No, it's not OSK in binary. Right, let's just see if we change the scroller, if that affects anything. Here we go, scroller. Where's the scroller? So that's scrolling the floor, displaying floor. Scroller, here we go. So we're doing the top row plus 5. Right. Does it still work? Obviously that doesn't work. Right, let's see. Well, that's not working, is it? That's the scroller. Okay. The scroller seems to be working. That's the floor. That's right. Because we don't want to grab the whole lot. Place characters left. Hang on. Maybe the problem is there. Right. So that's the problem there, is placing the character. Let's go into the macro for that. Place character, screen address, start row, end row. Ah, gotcha. Right, I know what the problem is now. So if we do +5, right? So that should only be scrolling the bit where we put in the problem's happening, yeah, is because we're inserting 5 down, yeah. See there, but the problem is we're only inserting from here, so we need to get rid of those spaces in the graphics, yeah. So what we're going to do is we will save this as V12, V13, I suppose, V13. And then we're going to move everything up to there, and then we're going to reduce the height by 5, so it'll be 7. Save that. Export, and then we'll do the same for the 2. So we'll move it up. And we'll make it 7. And we'll save it as, V13. And then we'll export it. Right. So we are changing our maps. So V13, 13, and now they've got different names as well now. got different names now. 16 by... Oh, why is V13 16 by 12? Oh, I didn't save it, did I? Right, let's get rid of that. Right, so they're 16 by 7. Right, let's see if that works now. Right, so the assets have been inserted properly now. It's the floor we've got a problem with now. It's the floor. Grab floor, here we go. Total number of scroll rolls. Total number of scroll rolls. I think this is going to cause us a little bit of an issue. Right. So now we're now only scrolling the 5 rows, yeah? But where's the buffer? Where's the buffer? I bet that's linked to those calculations. Yeah. So the top row minus the bottom row, and we've just changed those. Total number of rows. Are we not using total number of rows? Oh, look at that. We're not using total number of rows. Nice. Oh, what an interesting lack of foresight by me. That's actually a benefit to us. Right, okay. That makes it a bit better for us. Right, so screen. It was all part of the plan. Right, so this placing here, right? So we're going to be doing 2 more scroll shifts, yeah. So this is going to be the main one. And we'll change it as that as well, and then we've got insert asset for next column, yeah. And so we will basically copy this routine and alter it so we've got our clouds in the right place. Yeah. Right. What time is it? Do we start it or do we leave it until next time? Well, let's get ourselves prepared. Right. Scroll screen left. So this is scroll main screen left. So we'll grab that. We'll find where scroll screen left is. So that's that. Don't need to do that, I don't think. Right, so that's that. So we have two cloud bands. So let's do this. This is gonna sear it. Right. Scroll cloud band 1. So scroll cloud band 1 is gonna be the top row. To the top row plus 1. So that's 2 rows, yeah? And then we will do that. Place the characters. Oh, I must have got rid of a bracket, yeah. Ooh. That's something we didn't think about. We're going to have to do that, aren't we? That's going to be right. But this is going to be... This is going to be 1, isn't it? That's going to be 1. Because it's going to be that. Let's just make sure it still works. Oh, we always break stuff. Right, okay, that seems to have fixed that, but I'm sure that's going to bite us in the butt. That's going to bite us in the butt when we do this. I'm sure it is. My voice in the back of my head's going bonkers. Am I still not using GitHub? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Right, what was I doing? Oh, we need to do band 1, don't we? Band 2. So that's gonna be +2 to 3. And it's still 1. But that's going to have to be +2. Still think that's going to bite us in the back. That's going to bite us in the backside, that is. The voice in my head is going absolutely crazy now. It's shouting at me something rotten. The voice in the back of my head thinks that I should be doing this. That's what it thinks. See, that's okay. So that means I'd have to do the same here on this one. Like that. 2. But that's not going to be right. No, that's going to be okay. Because we've offset that there. Oh, the little voice is going bonkers. Set 12. Right. That should be... That's 18 minus 7, which is 11. So that's going to fill in 11. But we're going to work backwards. Yeah. So that's going to have to be 4, isn't it? Them two will be fine because we're offsetting it. I don't know why the voice in the back of my head's going bonkers, because this should work. +5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 6. So if we add 5 to that, So when it gets to, right, let's try that. I think I've tried it and it didn't work. It left shadows. It's not clearing out the buffer. It's not clearing out the buffer. Why is it not clearing out the buffer? Come on, John, think. 7 plus 5 is 12. 18 minus 12 is 6. 6 plus 5 should be doing it. I don't know. Unless I'm putting in the buffer in the reverse order. Hang on. That's something I need to look at, isn't it? Hang on. What am I doing? I'm inserting into the buffer. So load it. Oh. Looks like I'm loading backwards, doesn't it? That's loading backwards. It's loading backwards. Good smack, John. Right. I think it's loading backwards, and that's why that works. Which means this has to be plus 16 to make it 18. And this is 14. I'll tell you what, let's find out. Let's see what it's actually doing. Am I loading backwards? What's going on? That should have been causing absolute chaos. That should have been putting A's everywhere. Oh. Oh well. Oh well. Right, hopefully that's the scrolling for each segment. So what we need to do is get asset for next column. That's going to be something. Yeah, that's going to be the same as get the cloud. So so we need 2 routines to get the clouds. Can we do it in 1 routine? Could we do this in one routine instead of two? Right. It's gone 11 here, so I'm gonna leave it there. Because what I want to do is I just want to put things on. I want to get the rasters properly worked out. So we know exactly where we're going to implement it. We're going to have to do two more scroll X indicators based on the scroll of the main game of the floor. Yeah, so we're going to take the floor scroll frame counter. Yeah, and we're going to use that to drive how fast the clouds go in the two levels. So we'll do that on Wednesday. Yeah, I'll have a bit of a think. I'll do my 10-minute preparation, as Face calls it. So I'll have a better idea of how we're going to do it. So let's see. What have we done anything on here? Well, that's done. Because Phase is constantly giving me updates. Because we've just had version 10. So we're doing the parallaxing and then stabilising the rasters after that. And if we've got time, because I'm not sure when the deadline is. When's the deadline? The 10th of September. So we've got 2 weeks, 4 more streams, 3 more streams. The 10th of September's there. So we've got 1, 2, 3 more streams. So if we can get the parallaxing done next stream and the stabilization, then we can the tweaks that we've thought about, we can try and implement them. Right, let's just make sure that this is running okay, that we ain't broke it. P. I know collision's turned off. But the scroller's still going. I'm waiting for the UFO. Oh, Aston's disappeared. Well, there's the UFO. Where's Aston gone? Where's Aston gone? Did he disappear when we finished with the cloak? The cape? Yes, he disappeared with the cape, didn't he? Where do we shut that off? Nico jumping. Where's Nico? Here we go. Nico flight. I'll leave it on. Oh, missed one. What is wrong with you? Right. Yeah, there's two. There's the abort, isn't there? I missed the natural pat when it runs out. Here we go. He's lost his spots. He's lost his spots. Oh. Turn the wrong ones off. That should do it. Oh. Pick slow mode. There we go. Thank you for giving us a bone early. There we go. He's back. Right then, let's shove this into source control. Oh, first things first, let's get rid of the ones that we're no longer using. So we're using the clouds. We are going to move them out of the way. They can go in the archived. Version 12 of... Keeping the clouds, version 12 of the... No, we'll leave that. Where's version 12? Right, okay, so... we don't need that. I don't think we need that. Don't need those. Where's the other 12s? There's the 2s. There's the 4s. Where's version 12 of those? Oh, we're using the same character set, aren't we? We're using the same character set. Hang on, let me just check. Nico Wood times 2. That's the one there. That's that lot. So we don't need all this lot. We don't need that, that, or that, or that, that, or that. Let's move them out of the way. Still need that lot. Instructions. We're using them now, aren't we? So that means the characters can go. Right, let's just make sure we're okay still. Right, so I haven't got rid of anything that we need. Yep. So we've got these two. Anything else I don't need? Right, let's check this all in. Stick everything in. Episode 15. And the next one is episode 16. Create a new branch for episode 16. Right then, guys. I will have a think over the next couple of days how I think I'm going to do this. And we'll continue this on Wednesday. Alright? Well, thank you very much. Have I missed any chatting? No. Right then, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.